Hello, everyone. Just some quick EDD news updates. For those still waiting on those pending payments, what has been happening over the last several days is that there has been an increase of claimants reporting their pending payments have been pushed through to paid. Now, this has been not only as a result of people calling into the EDD, also getting help from their state assembly member, but in some cases happening automatically. Now, we do know that the EDD is finally redirecting all staff to work on the pending payment issues, which has been the number one problem plaguing the EDD since March. So we will have to see if this is the first indicator that we are finally turning the corner on this problem. We also do know that the EDD expects this problem overall not to get fully resolved till the end of summer. Besides the need to file for a new claim and new claims processing, one of the biggest reasons of the pending payment issue continues to be the need for some people to take part in a phone interview. The latest information given out by Tier 1 and Tier 2 representatives is they are indicating interviews are 9 weeks out. However, we know in many cases people are waiting beyond that time frame. Now, while the interview process itself is fairly simple, it is not something that can be resolved by just calling into the EDD. If you do reach them by phone, they are simply going to tell you there is nothing they can do and that you must wait for that appointment time and date. You will either see that appointment time and date in your UI online account like seen here, or receive a notice by mail. We have also received word from several PUA claimants about getting this message in their UI online homepage requesting 2019 income documents. Again, this is only in regards to PUA claims. Now, it is important if you do receive this notification to immediately respond and either upload or mail in the requested documents to avoid a decrease or freeze in benefits. For some people, instead of this message, they may actually receive a written request by mail. Here is a list of acceptable documents. It should be noted if you upload the documents online, do not mail them in or vice versa. Only use one of the two methods to send them in to avoid processing delays. One of the other pending payment causes is because ID verification is still needed with your account. This mainly applies to those who have filed for a new claim over the phone or by sending in a new claim application by fax or mail. If you filed by any other method besides online and have not verified your identity, this seems to be a good reason why you still have those pending payments. Currently, there are over 600,000 claims since the pandemic began needing ID verification. Now, there's a high probability a majority of those claims were filed fraudulently, in which ID verification will never take place, but there are definitely some valid claims mixed in with that number. And finally, good news for EDD claimants who have had previous or ongoing issues with Bank of America in regards to their debit cards. Over the last year, thousands of claimants reported the freezing of their debit cards or having money stolen out of their accounts. In a number of cases, the bank would not assist the claimant in filing a claim to get back that stolen money or assist customers in unfreezing their cards due to suspicious activity. Now, a federal court has issued an injunction against Bank of America and compels them not only to unfreeze accounts, but reopen investigations into stolen benefits. They were also ordered to pay people provisional credits while they conduct their investigations. The bank also cannot use its current claim fraud filter to freeze accounts and must provide written reason why an account is frozen. If identity is in question, people now must have the option to authenticate their identities at a local Bank of America branch. Meanwhile, in Sacramento, there is a push to bypass Bank of America altogether in paying out benefits with new legislation requiring the EDD to provide claimants with a direct deposit option. Assembly Bill 74, sponsored by Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez, does just that, while the EDD themselves have requested funding to begin implementation of that direct deposit option. In the meantime, let us know in the comments section below what problem you are currently experiencing. Make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.